Now let's go to Google Keep. Google Keep is basically like post-it notes, except on your wall they're actually instead digitally. So you go to the Google Options menu and click on Keep. You'll be presented with this main home screen. So to add a note, which will appear here, I just need to click on Take a Note, add a title. So in this case, I'll just name it Title, add a note, and let's name it Our First Note. And I can add a reminder, which let's say it's tomorrow at 8 a.m. Sounds good. I can add collaborators, so people that I can share this note with. I can add or change colors, add images, so let's say this image. And then I can even add a drawing. So let's do that. So there we go, image, drawing, note. If I didn't have the image, this drawing would take the whole space up here. Here I can also delete a note, make a copy of it, add another drawing, and even copy it to Google Docs. So the Google Docs would be saved under my drive in my Google Drive folder. If I close it, it automatically saves this note, and it'll be available in Notes and the Reminder section because I've created a reminder. But if I delete this reminder, then it'll be available in the Notes section and be removed from reminders because it is no longer a reminder for me. Here, there's the labels section. So I can create new labels for different purposes. For example, I could create a label for directors and a different label for squadron purpose. So let's say I want to add this to a label. Then I press Add Label. Let's say my label name is Test. Press Enter. And now it is in the Notes section, not in the Reminders section because it is no longer a reminder. I've deleted that option. And now it is also in the Test section. If I want to archive it, I just press this button. So now it's in Notes, Test, and Archive. Trash is where all your deleted notes go and are automatically deleted after 7 days. Another option for notes is that you can also create lists. So they're up here. New list, and I can create list items. So this could be used as a reminder. So for example, I could let's say I want to email this person. I could do that. Add a list. Let's say I want to phone another person. I could do that. Set a reminder again tomorrow 8 a.m. Close. So when I'm done this, I just tick off what I'm done. It shows it to me. If I want, I can have a reminder tomorrow and it'll be shown in the reminders section. Just a correction on my earlier note about archiving. Once it is archived, it is removed from the Notes section. So it is only available in the Test section and Archive, but not in the regular Notes section anymore.